Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open Windows Settings and navigate to Apps, then Apps and Features for removal. Find Microsoft Visual Studio Code in the app list and click its entry. Click Uninstall and follow the standard prompts to remove application files. This removes the main program files from %local app data % for user installs or from /program files for system installs. Restart Windows when prompted to ensure file handles are released. This method is safe and fastest for most users who just need the program gone. After uninstalling, manually delete leftover folders to fully clear settings and extensions. Remove %appdata %code to clear user data and extensions stored there. Also delete %userprofile %vscode, which holds per-user extensions and snippets. If you use the system installer, remove /program files /Microsoft VS Code or %local app data %programs /Microsoft VS Code. Optionally remove registry keys under HKCU /software /Microsoft /Visual Studio and related HKLM entries to clean traces. Restart your machine after file removal to finalize the cleanup. For most users, the settings uninstall is better because it is simple and safe. Use that option when you just want the application removed without touching personal data. Choose manual cleanup when you need a complete removal of extensions and settings, and when you want a fresh reinstall. Use third-party uninstallers only if Windows cannot remove stubborn files or registry entries. Back up any settings you want to keep before manual deletion. This balances safety, completeness, and time spent on cleanup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.